glance, she looks like any other ordinary girl going about her household chores with precision. True to the adage, dynamites come in small packages, it's only when she opens her mouth that the power she yields comes to the full.
Madzimai, zvedu tichitungamira wai amisa I can unity.
This is 24-year-old Tadiwa Hlupo, popularly known as Madzimai Eye Candy, who has captured the hearts of many through her lyrical prowess.
I just decided to ndimbo dance on chimbo zvimwe zvinovaka zvinoteerera zvekuti even vezera redu vakanzwa kana pane zvakaipa zvavari kuita mwanosiya.
It is like she lives in two worlds and gracefully moves from one to the other. As intriguing as her lyrics are, her life story opens a window of hidden talent that was awaiting the right moment to explode.
Some of my music aripo andototaura even my life story.
Even as she grows in the ambience of stardom, Madzimai Eye Candy prefers to remain humble, focusing on her career.
No dressing anongogara ndakangopfeka andichinji nokuti ndiri mupostori. So azvizvo even kuma studios kana ndingoenda kuma studios ndingoenda ndakangopfeka futi izvozvo nekuti ndiri madzimai.
Madzimai Eye Candy has become an instant hit, rightly so, because her angelic voice offers a beautiful melody, and most would agree that this is an emerging star. Fungai Jachi, ZBC News, Harare.
Andisi munhu wewisi ndinogona kungovasiya vari Paris.